All right, number 6. Okay, number 6, I got two fractions. They do not have the same denominator. And what I would do is to first factor something out in the denominator. So it seems like the first fraction, I can do this. For the second fraction, I can do this. So they both have x minus 1, which is great. So the first fraction doesn't have elements of 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3 for the first fraction, both numerator and the denominator. For the second fraction, I've got to multiply x, okay, because it doesn't have an x in the denominator. So that means now we have a common denominator of 3x times x minus 1. That will be our common denominator. At the top, we have 27 minus 3x squared. So we can actually factor out the 3 out of the 27 and 3x squared. Now, before we cancel anything out, let's go ahead and write down the restrictions. So x equals to, or x cannot equal to 0, and x cannot equal to 1. Now, some of you might be tempted to say something related to 3. Well, understand that the 3 is being multiplied. So so x could be 3, x could be negative 3. That is not going to make the denominator 0, okay? So now we can cross out the 3 right here. And also, when you see 9 minus x, you are also recommended to factor out the numerator. I'm sorry. That's a mistake right here. So it should be 3 plus x and 3 minus x. And then the denominator is just x minus 1. That would be your final answer. Okay, that would be your final answer. And if you wonder, Mr. Chan, why do we have to factor it all the way? Can we just leave it as 9 minus x squared? You would know why it's always better to factor all the way out. Okay, it would really help out in the future.